Ano pa ba? Ano ba yung inilista ko? May nilista akong kanta? May nilista akong kanta last time. Anong kakantahin ko? I forgot to write the song. I forgot. Don't forget. Sige, don't forget to remember. Maraming salamat sa inyo. You are my sunshine. Sige, my favorite song, You. Yakap sa dilim.
Kaya kan ayaw ng namin mo.
Bakit, Nay?
Super init.
Mainit sa ulo dyan?
Oo, binuksan ko na eh. Sos, nahihilo ako.
Maano sa ulo?
Hindi ko kaya rin.
Yan, opo.
Diba rito sa baba yung lamig, pumupunta sa ulo mo.
Opo. You are... Okay, you are the love of my life na lang. Mama Snow, thank you. Yeah.
Hindi ka na nagpatak.
Ay, hindi ko na-start. You are the love of my life. Let's do it.
So, ang ganda yan. Hindi ako makakas na mayo.
Lalo lang ako.
Para mag-uwento. Kunwari sa mga alamin may isang usapan.
The moments I looked at you, you found a place in my heart. You were the love of my life. You gave me reason to live. You taught me how to be strong. With you is where I belong. No one's ever touched me. What a way of touching me. People such a lifetime to find what we have. You are the love of my life. One thing that's good in this life. I'll spend the rest of my days just like you. You're the love of my life. The part of my soul.
Pag nakatayo ka, just loving you are the love of my life, and I know that I'd like to spend my lifetime with you. You are the love of my life.
Duet kasi yan. Thank you.
97.
Thank you, Mama Snow. Ayan. Alright, this is for you. You are my sunshine.
On the sunshine.